Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. In this video, we're going to be looking on how to determine if you need the Liftmaster Internet Gateway. So guys, this question was actually posted on one of my videos by Bartiago a couple weeks ago. And Bartiago, I'm really sorry. I was actually in vacation mode and I hope you found the answer to that question. However, if you didn't, then this video should clear everything up. Okay guys, now all you have to do is go to your garage door opener, look at the side of it, and if you see this, then what it means is that your garage door is equipped with the MyQ technology. However, you are not able to connect to the internet, and so you would need a Liftmaster Internet Gateway. Now if you go and you see this, then what that means is that your garage door opener is equipped with both the MyQ technology as well as Wi-Fi, and you would not need to go out and buy a Liftmaster Internet Gateway. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more content like this,